The winds of a gathering storm. I got word that tomorrow, some hurricane or some shit, a super strong ass hurricane thing is about to hit Florida. So, and its effects are going to be felt as far as North Georgia. And as you can see, winds are already picking up. Clouds are coming in. This thing's going crazy. All the while, I gotta head down to my house and deal with and get the cats prepared for storm prep. I might also have to lock the front door in case, it gets bursted open or some shit like that. It's time to brace for the storm. With me? So we got the cat bowl filled. It's a shame Kazuya Shoko might take a bidding. Hey Joe, you wanna stay down here to accompany the cats tonight? Joe, you know, like just to comfort the cats. Okay. Tonight there's gonna be a hurricane. It'll start with some rainfall, but after a while it's gonna get very heavy. Now time to go inside and so it has come. The rain. It's starting to pour as the ferns are soaked. From another angle. I don't know if it's hard to see, but you could, if you look closely, you can see the rain droplets falling hard.
Some strong winds that
And while that tower is already going crazy.
yeah, it's gonna be windy.
Spinning very fast. Shows how strong these winds are about to get in the next couple minutes or so.
It's just started. It just started a couple of minutes ago.
Yeah. All the while, Dad bought some more hanging lanterns.
Yeah, that's for the two posts.
The hooks?
Yeah, right in front.
Want me to go hook them up?
No, not in the store.
I mean, if you look at the balcony, the wet part is where, the wet side is where the rain is falling, while the dry side is where it hasn't touched down. But that is just a start of it.
Yeah.
It's going to get more erratic as time progresses. Go.
Yeah, tonight.
Sometimes I worry about my own cats. Yeah, that's what you said last time. Okay, now it's really picking up. Time to get inside. Boy, it is getting very erratic out there. Not a time to sit outside. Though I gotta hang up those things.